Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the laptop for recovery. Back up important files now, because this process deletes personal data. Plug into AC power and connect to the internet if you plan to download recovery media. Once done, locate your Windows Edition and HP product key and make sure you know account passwords so you can sign back in. Now, power off and hold the ESC key while pressing power to open the HP startup menu. This gives you immediate access to recovery options. After the startup menu, use F11 at boot or open HP Recovery Manager inside Windows to begin the actual restore. Choose System Recovery and pick the Factory Reset option if you want a clean state, or select the option that keeps files if you need a partial refresh. Make sure you read each prompt. These explain what will be removed or retained. When you accept, the tool reinstalls Windows, HP drivers, and bundled apps. This can take 30–90 minutes, depending on the model and drive speed. Once the reinstall finishes, you'll go through the out-of-box experience. Set language, create or sign into accounts, and allow Windows Update to install the latest patches. Then reinstall your applications and restore your backed up files, and verify drivers in Device Manager. If recovery fails or the system won't boot, create USB recovery media on another PC using HP Recovery Media Creation or Windows Tools, then retry. Otherwise, contact HP support for hardware-assisted recovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.